shoulders and upper back, we're gonna open it up, okay? So turn to this side actually. You're gonna bend your arm at a right angle, okay? You're gonna take your other arm, bend it, and then weave it underneath, like this. So this is called eagling your arms, okay? If you can't get all the way around, you can also just kind of hug yourself. That really stretches out through the back of your shoulders and upper back, feels really good. Now I want you to lift up and then press your forearms away from you, while still keeping like your abs are firm, your head is tall up, and you're lifting up so you're not slouching. You feel that? Feels really good. Take a breath. Exhale, let it go. One more, inhale. And exhale, release. Awesome, let's do it again. So I'm just gonna turn to this side. Same thing, just take the other arm underneath, okay? So other arm comes underneath, palms touch. Maybe you can reach that. If not, you can just kind of give yourself a hug, okay? You're gonna lift up, then press your forearms away from you. And then you can look to the side to kind of deepen the stretch, or you can just keep your head straight ahead. Does it feel good? It's one of my favorites. Deep breath, inhale, and exhale, let it go. Nice. So that's opening up through the back of your shoulders and your upper back, right? So the other thing, if you carry a lot of tension in your neck and shoulders, you can even do this sitting in a chair, just taking some shoulder rolls to the back and shoulder rolls to the front. Okay, now we slide back a little bit. So I actually have a 5-minute restorative yoga video on my YT channel if you want to go through and do that. But for now, this is again one of my favorites. So forearm or palm to the floor. Take your other arm up and over, reaching, gazing up at the ceiling. So you're gonna feel this whole side body lengthen. And if you can't make it all the way down there, then you can stay up here, right? You have options. And then inhale, rise. So we could take it to the other side. Hand or forearm. I like to go to my forearm just to make it deeper. You can look up. Deep breath. And exhale, let it go. Nice. So that got into the back of your shoulders, your side body a little bit. I'm just gonna look at the chat to see what I got. Yeah, thank you. So simple things that you can do daily. Add these into your daily routine. So my biggest recommendation, and Tony Robbins, this is not my original thought, but it makes such sense. It's called habit stacking, okay? Habit stacking. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the neck, Vince. I have a really good one for the neck. Habit stacking. So what it is you have a habit that you're already used to, so maybe brushing your teeth. You're gonna stack another habit into that. So maybe you do something while you're brushing your teeth or right before, right? And so it just allows you to solidify that new routine where you're gonna do this daily, right? Stretching is daily. It's not a once in a while type thing. If you really wanna feel the benefits of it, okay? So ready? Here's my favorite for the neck. You can stay seated. First, let's start with some head rolls to just kind of loosen things up. So you're gonna move your head in one direction, not a big, like 80s hairband roll. Just like maybe the size of a dinner plate. And then you can go in the other direction. Okay. And then you can move it side to side. So looking left to right. And then saying yes, up and down. So a lot of times what happens with stiffness is that you're not moving out of the repetitive movement pattern. Like if you're always, think about it, if you're always doing this, your body responds to that. Your body is very intelligent. It's like, okay, this is what we're doing, so we're gonna just stay here. And so if you don't counteract that with different movement patterns, you're gonna stay stuck in that spot. It's like that old wives' tale, like if you keep your face like that, it's gonna get stuck like that. It's like halfway true with your body anyway. Your body will respond to frequent movement patterns, right? The good news is you can change it, but you have to really work at it, which is why mobility work and flexibility, yoga, stretching, super key, super, super key. Can't say it enough. So the other thing for your neck, so first you're gonna just do some rolls. Look left to right, look up and down. You can give yourself a double chin, right? Pull that back, it feels really good. Next thing you're gonna do, you ready? Vince, this is for you, I hope you're still on. You're gonna take one hand, you're gonna wrap it behind you. You're gonna take your other hand, you're gonna hold your own hand, okay? Then, just like you're kind of seeing something really cool and your head's tilting to the side, you're gonna go to one side. You're watching, you're supposed to be doing, Vince. Then you can take your head to the other side. It only works if you do it. It'll work for me if I do it, but it'll only work for you if you do it. So this one is really great to release any tension you have in your, good. Any tension you have in your neck, your shoulder. Is it okay if I do this while eating candy corn? I love TikTok, it's great. You know what, wait, I gotta stop for a second. Who is this? Kay Sue, can I tell you a funny story? If you follow me for a while, you know I'm a sugar addict, so I don't eat candy corn. But back in the day when I did eat candy corn, let me tell you a story, okay? It's not a good story. I don't even think I can smell candy corn because when I was like 17, I think I ate like 2 full bags of candy corn or something. I went like on a binge. So me and candy corn, we don't interact. It's like a no contact zone. But that's good. If you're eating it, just don't choke on it, okay? Because you're moving your neck around. Okay. I'm always honest with you guys. All right, so now we're gonna do the other side, right? So hand behind you. You gotta be able to laugh at yourself. It's good. Take your other hand behind, interlace it, and then tilt your head to the side. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I just want to stay here forever. So I'm gonna just move my hair. So as you can see, like any tension I have in my upper trap or anything like that, it's just getting released. It feels so good. And then you can move your head around a little bit if you want to make any minor little adjustments. And then you can come back to neutral. Okay? I hope that helped. Oh, Kay Sue, I love you. Thank you.